into AWT, origin of swings, swing features, MVC connections, MVC components and containers, swing packages, a simple swing application, event handling, creating a swing applet, exploring swings, label, JLabel, imageal, JText field, swings buttons, scroll panels, list, and combo box, creating menus. So these are the operations and these are the contents we're going to see in event-driven programming. So first, what is graphics programming? So Java contains supports for graphics that enables programmers to visually enhance some contents. So still now we have seen so many programming, so that is basics of programming constructors, uh, how to create packages, interfaces, basic concepts, looping concepts, and conditional statements, operators, basic how Java gets works in the platforms, independent platforms. Next, threading concept, multi-threading concept, AW, what supports thread priorities, multiple threadings, and input-output streams. And next level of programming is graphics programming. So Java supports many visually effects programs also. For that, Java provides default some class functions. So first, AWT, abstract windowing toolkit. So it's an API to develop GUI for web-based applications in Java. So in Java, AWT components are platform independent. That is, components are displayed according to the view of operating system. So AWT is a lightweight process. That is, its components are using the resources of OS. That is, AWT's dot package provides classes for AWT APIs such as text field, label, text area, radio button, choice checkbox, choice list, etc. Right? So it is a package function which is in the AWT. So AWT figured out package. Say the package AWT is a class function. So it's a special type of program that is embedded in a web page to generate dynamic contents. So to embed some dynamic content in the web page, that is web applications, so we have to use applet class. So it runs inside the browser and works on the client side programming. So introduction to graphics. So AWT Java, it is a main interface, that is main class name. In .java AWT it is a package, and .graphics அப்படிங்கிறது class function which provides many methods for graphics programming. So graphics context is encapsulated by the graphics class, and it is obtained in two methods. So first, it is the method of applet lifecycle. Since like threads, applet is also having its own lifecycle. So first, it has to initiate the initiate methods of the applet. From here, it has to go to start method. From start method, it is going to running state. From running state, it can go to ideal state, or complete state. After that, you have to destroy the particular applet class function. So these are the methods which has been used inside the graphics method. How to draw a class. So how to draw a method. For string draw பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா I have to use this. And draw rectangle, 3D rectangle, void, draw round rectangle, fill rectangle. You have to fill the rectangle with the particular height and weight methods. And if you want to draw a polygon, you have to draw the fill the polygon, and you have to draw the oval shapes and fill arc, set colors and set font style. So AWT is a class function which is used to create some graphical functions in the programs. So everywhere we cannot use text functions. So AWT அப்படிங்கிற package என்ன அப்படின்னா உன்னோட ப்ரோக்ராம்ல அனிமேஷன்ஸ் வரணும், the graphical visuals embed பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we can use this method. So first, abstract graphics create. So it is a function which creates graphic objects, that is the copy of this graphics object. Second, if you want to draw a string, that is you have to write a string. So these are the method. Pass the text given by the specified string. And if you have to draw the rectangle, so this method has to be used. So you have to in the coordinate points, right? Index x value, y value, width and height. If you given, this method will give the raw rectangle. And if you want to draw a 3D rectangle, We have to specify this method int x, int y, int width, int height method, and you have to give this parameters. And if you want to draw a round rectangle, so you have to use this method, and you have to give int height, width, int width, height, int arc width, and arc height. And you have to fill the rectangle with the specific colors. You have to give this method int x, int y, int width, and int height. And you have to draw a polygon int x points, int y points, and int n points. So abstract void fill polygon int x, int y points, and int n points. So you have to draw a oval shape int x, int y, int width, and int height methods. And we want to set colors for that. We have to use set color method, and you have to use set font. Any font, you have to use this font method. So example, this is the first example. I'm importing this AW dot package and AWT. And I'm going to give it and graphics. I'm going to draw these shapes. Okay. So first the graphics one extends applet அப்படிங்கிற class. Within that, I'm going to import this method. We have to give only the paint method, and I'm going to enforce one parameter that is graphics G. Set colors. Commonly, I've set the colors color dot red. So இங்க டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு என்ன கலர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா கலர் டாட் ரெட். வாட்ச் ஸ்ட்ரிங் ஐ ஹவ் ரிட்டன் வெல்கம் அதோட பாயிண்ட்ஸ் 50,50. ஸோ 50,50 அப்படிங்கிற பாயிண்ட்ல இந்த வெல்கம் அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்ட்ரிங் வந்து வில் பி கெட் டிஸ்பிளைட். And draw line. So I have to give him 4 points because in max we have no draw line drop into the 4 points x1, x2, y1, y2, and this coordinate points I have to use draw line on the drop on it from this point to this point, and this is also in red color. And I have given draw rectangle 70, 100, 30, 30 rectangle அப்படிங்கிறதும் this is rectangle which color red. And draw oval shape 70, 200, 30, and 30. So this is the pixel points are given. So draw oval shape rectangle with the color red. And set color dot pink. Fill oval 170. This is the coordinate points. See oval shape, that is heart shape. This is oval shape and full with red symbol. Fill oval, draw a rectangle, draw arc, fill arc. So this is the coordinate one. This is the arc, and given the fill arc with green color. And so to run this program, so you have to give Java C first.java. So this is the file name is first.java, and this applet viewer. If you are going to run this program, I have to give applet viewer first.java. So this is for compiling Java C compiler first.java. And for running, I have to use this code applet viewer first.java. So if you execute, you will have this output program. Okay. And we can work with colors, fonts, and images also. So these are the colors default, the colors what we have given in that AWT அப்படிங்கிற package, graphics package, color dot gray color, light color, blue color, magnet color, orange color, dark color, pink color, gray color, red, green, white, yellow. And if you want to use colors, we have to use this constructor, color dot constructor in the red, green, blue parameters. And we have, so you know that RGB colors, RGB that is red, green, blue. If you're given the values, the corresponding colors will be get displayed. And font, we have different fonts and availability package. What are the fonts we are going to use in Word and Excel? We have used this fonts. And you can use this images also. This is the program for setting the font families and font. So I have taken the string as Punganadu CSE second year welcome C Punganadu CSE second year students. For this I have taken the string and color that is red. For the commonly given the string as red color. For this color I have given blue, and for this color I have given this green, and for this color I have given magenta colors. And for text I have given this font styles. Images, likewise I am going to display some images. ஸோ ஏடபிலிட்டி. ஸோ ஏடபிலிட்டி அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு பேக்கேஜ் ஃபார் கிரியேட்டிங் அ யூசர் இன்டர்ஃபேசஸ். ஸோ தட் இஸ் இன்டராக்டிவ் வெப் பேஜஸ் டிசைன் பண்றதுக்காண்டி இந்த இன்டர்ஃபேசஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து we can use. And this is AWT class functions. Everything is created as a component, and inside the component we have can label, checkbox, choice, list, container. And this container is divided into two types. One is window, panel, and window has two things: frame window and applet class, which comes in the panel window. So I will explain with one particular example. So imagine that this is the registration form I'm going to design. For this, I'm going to use some AWT packages. So name, date of birth, address, contact number, email, occupation, age, gender, civil status, citizenship, height, weight, relation, language, father's name, mother's name, occupation, and in case emergency, who you need to contact. So these are the shapes which are going to create a interactive web pages. So first to create in the frame, we have to use this. First in the frame, we create under the first import java.awt package, public class awt frame. Inside main function, we have to first create a frame. Okay, so Java பொறுத்தவரைக்கும் எல்லாமே வந்து class functions தான். நீ class வச்சு தான் create பண்ணணும். First you have to create a frame. Frame அப்படிங்கிறது class எல்லாமே எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னா awtங்கிற பேக்கேஜ்ல இருக்கு. Frame object name from equal to new frame. I'm going to give some name as Java AWT frame. So inside that, I'm going to create a label. So label அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு class. I'm going to create a label in equal to new label. So I'm going to fix one name. உங்களோட காலேஜ் ஆஃப் இன்ஜினியரிங் டெக்னாலஜி லேபிள் வந்து எனக்கு சென்டராக ஓகேவா given field. And அந்த ஃப்ரேம்குள்ள I'm going to add this label. So labelோட நேம் என்னது LLP LBL, that is label. I'm going to add this label into the frame. So in the frame full the label வந்து add பண்ணும். And size of the frame is 40,40, 400,400, and frame should be visible to me. So அதனால set form கொடுத்துருக்கேன். First இந்த form design பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி you have to design this frame. So அதனால தான் frame design பண்ணியிருக்கோம். After that, so first next வந்து button create பண்ணணும். So இதுல வந்து button shapes இது இந்த மாதிரி submit buttons, back buttons இதெல்லாம் button shapes வரும். ஓகேவா? So I'm going to create a button. Similarly, I'm going to create everything is class. First நீ என்ன create பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா frame create பண்ணணும். இந்த frame அப்படிங்கிறது button example. அதுக்குள்ள நான் என்ன create பண்றேன் அப்படின்னா buttons create பண்றேன். So buttonோட நேம் என்னது click here. I have set boundaries. So இந்த பட்டன் வந்து எங்க இடத்துல டிஸ்பிளே ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் boundaries செட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். After that, பட்டனை நான் லேபிள்குள்ள ஆட் பண்ணணும், சாரி ஃப்ரேம்குள்ள ஆட் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் செட் சைஸ் கொடுக்குறேன், செட் லேஅவுட், செட் விசிபிள் ஈக்குவல் டு and label. Similarly, I'm going to create two labels, first label, second label. Text field. So now text field in this text field எடுத்துக்கோம். First என்ன அப்படின்னா frame create பண்ணணும். And two text fields. So text 1, text 2. Text 1ல நான் என்ன டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணணும், their coordinate points. Text 2 என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும், their coordinate points. And after that, I have to add that buttons to in my frame and set size. Layout வந்து இப்போதைக்கு நல்ல கொடுத்துருக்கோம். And set size is 2. Similarly, I'm creating a text area. Text is different and text area is different. So text area அப்படிங்கிறது if you want to type more than one lines, two lines, you can go with the text area. And checkbox. So இந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வரும்ல, more than one options click பண்றது எல்லாமே என்ன அப்படின்னா checkboxes. So it is also a class function. Checkbox name equal to new checkbox அதோட value and set அதோட boundary points and set to Java அப்படிங்கிறது true. And அதோட boundary points, they have to add checkbox to the frame and set size, label equal to true, and set layout is null. Choice. So இந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டம் செலக்ட் பண்ணோம்ல, அது வந்து சாய்ஸ். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீ ஃப்ரேம் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும், அண்ட் சாய்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் சாய்ஸ்ல வந்து ஒவ்வொன்றா ஐட்டம்ஸ் ஆட் பண்றேன். இதுல எத்தனை ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்கு, 5 ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ எம் ஆடிங் item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5 எல்லாமே தனித்தனியாக ஆட் பண்றேன். அண்ட் செட் சைஸஸ் 400 லேஅவுட் வந்ததுக்கு மேல் செட் விசிபிள் அப்படிங்கிறது ட்ரூ. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி தனித்தனியாக டிஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு மொத்தமா இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம்ஸ் வரும் அப்படின்னா அது வந்து லென்த்தி ப்ரோக்ராமா வரும். ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we have created